Alright, we're here today. We just caught a whole mess of fish. As you can see, we got some fillets from earlier. And I'm gonna, well, already started on this one, but I'm going to finish this one while y'all are watching. But as we're doing this, I'm going to go over like safety. Never really cut towards yourself, and always watch where your fingers are. As you can see, I got a little bit of fillet right there, and then yeah, whenever you're filleting, always cut away from yourself, because you'd have a pretty bad day if, you know, the kind of skipped across the skin and switch you open. So that, and I'm gonna have to do a little bit of this. And we caught these earlier. We didn't record a video because we really wasn't catching that many at the same time, or I wasn't catching that many. Most of them my dad caught, but I caught a few.
One.
And I got a new catfish pole. Doesn't really catch any catfish. But my mom caught 2 or 3. Can't remember. But whenever you do it, do like that. Cut it in, and then turn your knife to the right, or whichever way you're filleting towards, and then just keep on cutting.
And this is our first time really doing it, so yeah. Practice makes perfect.
Well, it's kind of like my second, but last time I did it, my grandpa was watching over me, and he taught me how to do it. And that fillet, and let me finish this thing off. Me and my mom split the catfish. She did half, I did half. We both got all that in that bowl. And it's both basically our first times. But yeah. And this is probably all the meat that I'm gonna get off of this one. So toss that in there. Now we gotta do these. Which I think I got a bone in this one, but I can easily get that out before we start cooking it. Which, if you haven't noticed already, this is a catch, clean, cook, but it's mostly just a clean cook, because we didn't take any videos of us catching it. And, well, after I finish this little slice, we'll see you in the kitchen.
Mom here, while Aiden's disposing of all the catfish, he wants me in here. I'm going to clean them, and once I get them nice and clean, I'm going to put them in the bowl. And then I'm gonna let them cover up in milk for a little bit, about 15 to 20 minutes. And then after that, we're going to do our little batter, which is cornmeal flour, salt and pepper mix with a little bit of spice to it to spice things up. And then whenever we start frying them, I'll get with you.
Alright, we got the stove ready, and we're about to put these babies in. We got some salt, we got some pepper, and we got the Big Mo's Redemption rib rub that we're going to use them for the fishies. So let's take a look at them. You ready for this sizzle? Woo.
The less flour would be the best, so shake them off. Yeah. Faster the better too.
There's a lot of small pieces in here.
Okay, we'll just leave that for there, and we'll do another batch.
Okay. And we're gonna leave it in there, and we're gonna do another batch whenever we finish. But first, we're gonna put the Big Mo seasoning on there.
And we're gonna cook it.
I'm gonna add a dash of salt.
It smells so good.
It does. And we'll see y'all back whenever we try to put in the next batch. Alright, we just finished filleting all the fish and we just finished frying them. And I'm going to try this, and, well, hot.
Everybody look at his lips. Look at his mouth when he eats.
I'm different, Mama. But it's actually tastes good. It tastes more like chicken than anything. But that's why I really like in fish. But if you ever want a little extra kick, use Googan squads, dang sauce, chipotle, lime, with half and pepper in it. Well, let's give it a try. Oh no, this will be spicy.
Do you recommend it?
Yes. It is the perfect difference between spice and just regular plain. It just tastes like chicken and like it's. I don't know what I'm stuttering, but
Because you always
good. That's what I'm trying to say, and I got a lot on this one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of this type of content, let me know and subscribe.